Good morning, folks. I am Himanshu Dosani, and today we are continuing our lecture on coordinate geometry. In previous lecture, we have seen the question based on the distance formula and the section formula. Today, we are going to learn the formula for identifying the area of the triangle when the vertices are given. So let's start. Find the area when coordinates of vertices are given. Coordinate of vertices are given. So we are having coordinate axis. This is y, this is x, this is origin. We are having 3 points A, B and C. A, B and C. Coordinates of these points are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Join these points. We are getting one triangle ABC whose coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. We know that area of triangle. So area of triangle is given by half 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So we have to use this formula for identifying the area of the triangle. Now let us see how we can use this formula for identifying the area of the triangle. Example number 11. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. Example number 11. Whose vertices are 1, minus 1, 4, minus 4, 6 and minus 3, minus 5. 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6 and minus 3, minus 5. Question says that find the area of the triangle whose vertices are following. Naming this A, B and C. We can also name this x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Now writing the formula for area of triangle is given by 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now substituting the values, 1 by 2, x1 is 1, y2 is 6 minus of minus 5 plus x2 is minus 4, y3 is minus 5 minus of minus 1 plus x3 is minus 3 y1 is -1 minus 6 now 1 by 2 6 minus of minus plus 6 plus 5 11 plus into minus minus 4 minus 5 minus into minus plus, so minus 5 plus 1 will be minus 4 plus into minus minus. Now minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 minus 7. Solving this will be getting 1 by 2 11 minus into minus plus 4 into 4 16 minus into minus plus 7. Now solving this 11 plus 16 plus 7. 11 plus 16 plus 7. 7 7 to the 14 34. 1 by 2 34. Cancel out this. You will be getting 1 7. So we will be getting 17. So the area of triangle is equal to 17 square units. 17 square units. In this manner we have to solve the area of triangle problems. Now moving to the next problem. Example number 13. Example number 13 says that find the area of the triangle formed by the points P. This is example number 13. Find the area of the triangle from the points P minus 1.5, 3, Q 6, minus 2 and R minus 3, 4. Question says that find the area of the triangle from the given points. Naming these points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Writing the formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle is half x1 into y1 minus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substituting the values, we will be getting 1 by 2 1.5 into y2 is minus 2 minus y3 is 4 plus x2 is 6 y3 is 4 minus y1 is 3 plus x3 is minus 3 into y1 is 3 minus y2 is minus 2. Now solving this will be 1 by 2 into 1.5 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 6. 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 3 is 1 plus into minus minus 3 into minus plus 3 plus 2 5. We'll be getting 5. Now solving this 1 by 2 1.5 can be written as
3 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into minus 6 plus 6 minus 3 5 is 15. This will get cancelled out, so this will be 3. 3 into 3 is minus 9. 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 6 minus 15. On solving, we are getting 0. So on solving, we are getting 0. That means area of triangle is equal to 0. If area of triangle is equal to 0, that means all the 3 points are lying on the same line, which is, it says that the points are collinear. It says that points are collinear. Points are collinear. When the points are collinear, that means that the area of the triangle is 0 and all the 3 points lies on the same line. Now let us see example number 14.
Example number 14. Let us see example number 14 now.
Find the value of k if the points a 2, 3,
A 2, 3, B 4, k and C 6,
minus 3 are collinear. We have to identify the value of k if these all 3 points are collinear.
So given condition that all 3 points are collinear means area of triangle is equal to 0. Points are collinear. Applying the formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Applying the formula, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substituting the values, 1 by 2, x1 is 2, y2 minus y3, y2 is k, minus of minus 3 plus x2 is 4, y3 is minus 3 minus y1, y1 is 3 plus x3 6, y1 is 3 minus y2, y2 is k. One by 2, k minus of minus 3 will be plus 3. Multiplying this 2k inside the bracket, 2k plus 3, 2 3 ja 6 plus
minus 3 minus 3 minus 6, 6 4 ja 24 minus 24 plus 6 3 is 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. Taking this 2 is here, so it will be 0. 2k minus 6k will be minus 4k 6 minus 24 plus 18. 6 and 18 are added. So this will be 14, 24. So this will get cancelled out. We'll be getting 0 minus 4 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0. So the required value of k is 0. Now solving example number 50. Example number 15 says that if a 5 minus 5 comma 7, a minus 5 comma 7, b minus 4 comma minus 5, c minus 1 comma 6, and D 4 comma 5 are the vertices of the quadrilateral. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Let us suppose the quadrilateral is like this: A, B, C, D. First we will be finding out the area of the triangle ABC and then the area of the triangle ADC, and after that we will be adding. So we can write that area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Now first identifying the area of triangle ABC is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y1 minus y3 or x3 minus y2 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Substituting the values, 1 by 2 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 plus minus 4 5 minus 7 plus 4 into 7 plus 5. Solving this will be 1 by 2 50 plus 8 plus 48, which is equal to 106 upon 2 is equal to 53 square units. Similarly, solving for the area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC is equal to 1 by 2. Directly substituting the values in this formula for ADC, we will be getting minus 4 minus 6 minus 5 minus 1 5 plus 5 plus 4 minus 5 plus 6. On solving we will be getting 1 by 2 44 minus 10 plus 4 is equal to 19 square unit. Now we are having the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC. We want the area of quadrilateral ABC, so we will be adding both these two areas. So 53 plus 19 will be equal to 72 square units. 72 square units. So area of the given quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 72 square units. So I hope you got the idea how we can solve the problem based on the area of triangle formula when the vertices are given. Thank you.